This is the way it looks your motorcycle. This is like I show you. Here is a hole, not a hole, but it from inside engine pushed it into outside here with this moment. Now I put the screw. You see that the screw was pushed into the cylinder and turn crank. This is how it goes, and you will see. Up, you will see. Yeah. Third is good. Here, first, you see, I am just turning, and here it goes. Yes, and middle one. Just middle one. That's all. And I'm turning. Nothing happens. See? Nothing happens. Just you see, this is your spark plugs. This is spark plugs. Second one is not working. Ever not work. This is the one. This is the one worked. This spark worked. So when you turned engine, it never works on 3 cylinder, never. It works only on 2 cylinder, because this one and this one, everything goes wrong with second cylinder. This engine, I spent 700 euros and go to bring him for 400 kilometers. So that's a deal. Very good deal. You see,